There's a storm coming.
I know.
So we gotta get a walk in before it gets here, right?
Yeah, we gotta get a walk before it gets here. Me?
Windy, feel those sprinkles? Yeah.
Maybe you wearing a shirt with short. Maybe you wearing a tank top was the wrong thing. Actually,
It's not cold.
I'm freezing.
It's not cold.
Yes,
It's just not 100 degrees like it usually is here.
Oh yeah.
It's just like 79 degrees or something. Nope. You wanna go on this walk?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Yeah. Be back before then. Yep. Feel pretty good out here? Focused on it.
We on a walk. We on a walk, y'all. We on a walk. We on a walk, y'all. We
You
on
think it's gonna be a big storm, or you think it's gonna be a dud? It could be big.
I think it's gonna be. I don't know. It might be big.
Wind is picking up.
Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be big at this point.
We on a walk, y'all. We on a walk. We on a walk, y'all.
Look at it.
Yeah. But not fall. You can't fall off, so. Please also don't drop your phone. It's an entire forest.
Pretty cool, huh?
We can see all the houses. I think I could see from all the way up here.
Wanna go down there?
That's
We're
what-
not going down there.
Oh, I thought you actually meant it.
What animals do you think are down there?
Deer? I see a lot of
Yes.
deer around the neighborhood.
Yeah. What else?
Snakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Since you reminded me of that, I'm out.
You're okay. What about
Maybe
rabbits
Yeah, maybe.
and squirrels?
You see a lot of
Skunks?
squirrels around here.
Skunks, maybe? You think there's skunks down there?
Why did you just tell me about that?
It's probably coyotes.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool having this kind of nature so close to the house, huh?
Oh my gosh, that like little plant thing looks like a bunny. Oh my gosh, my head almost fell off.
See the cactus?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
All right, let's continue.
We on a walk. We on a walk, y'all. We on a walk.
Another wilderness area. You see deer in there all the time, huh?
Yeah.
We took that trail down in here.
We see deers come out of here all the time. Cactus.
Oh, cactus.
Many cactuses. Many.
It's kind of cool. Here, let's walk up here. We're just gonna watch where we walk. Watch out,
Yeah, so.
watch out for snakes, because what kind of snakes live out here? You know?
No.
You got rattlesnakes, different types of rattlesnakes. You got copperheads, and you've got cottonmouths.
Do they just bite you no matter what?
No.
Oh,
You
so
don't-
they rattle their thing?
Yeah, when a rattlesnake rattles its tail, it's warning you to stay away. And when a cottonmouth opens its mouth, So you can see its white mouth. It's warning you. Snakes just want to be left alone. They're not out to get you. It's pretty cool.
Can we get out of here now?
What? There's a trail.
No.
I wonder where it leads.
No. I'm not going down there.
I'm going. I'll see you later.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
No, you stay.
No, I'll go.
You stay. I'm going.
No, I'll
running.
go.
I'm
Oh,
just
that's it.
playing, nerd. I'm just playing.
No.
We don't need to go in there.
I actually thought you were gonna, you know. Cactus! No. Ew, time to touch this cactus.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
No, I'm just kidding. Can I kick open one and drink the water it has inside?
No. We're just going to leave the cacti alone.
There's already a broken one. Someone probably drank all the water.
Okay, go.
Sorry, give me a lead.
We've already walked through here. We know it's clear.
Ow.
We're just going to move forward.
Okay. Almost there. We just need to walk straight and then we'll get to the house.
Was it a good walk?
Yeah, it was a good walk.
Storm didn't show up yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
Not yet, but it says that we have like, I think maybe 45 minutes. All right, so how do you feel about the walk?
It was good.
Yeah, you see
It
some
was
cool
good.
stuff?
Yeah, we saw some cool stuff. Like a bird's eye view of a forest. Followed the trail and stumbled upon
It's a little opening in the
a
forest.
little opening in the forest.
What kind of animals did you see? Saw some in the sky?
Oh yeah, the hawk.
What kind of plants did you see?
Trees. I actually saw poison ivy.
You sure?
Cactus. We saw it at the open part of the forest.
What did it feel like?
The what? So it felt really windy. And it was sprinkling a little bit.
Yeah, was it hot?
Cold and hot.
I don't think it was cold at all.
At the first part, it was cold. And then when we started walking, it was hot. The sky was cloudy.
Yeah, did the sun come out at all?
I mean, the sun came up, but it's just being covered. Thank you, everyone, for coming on the walk with me. Bye! Whoa. There's a whole river starting up.